Getting rich quickly is a goal that many people have, but it's important to approach it with a realistic mindset. While there is no guaranteed way to get rich overnight, here are some general tips that can help you build wealth over time. Set clear financial goals, characterize your monetary targets, and make an arrangement to accomplish them. Guarantee your targets are express, quantifiable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Save and invest wisely, develop good saving habits, and be disciplined about setting aside a portion of your income. Look for investment opportunities that align with your risk tolerance and long-term financial goals. Consider counseling a monetary guide for customized exhortation. Increase your earning potential. Invest in yourself by acquiring new skills. Pursuing higher education or developing expertise in a particular field. This can lead to better job opportunities or the ability to start your own business. Live within your means, avoid unnecessary debt, and prioritize responsible financial management. Create a budget, track your expenses, and find ways to reduce costs where possible. Diversify your income streams. Depending entirely on a solitary kind of revenue can be hazardous. Explore additional ways to generate income, such as starting a side business, investing in stocks or real estate, or monetizing a hobby or skill. Take calculated risks. Wealth building often involves taking calculated risks. But it's important to conduct thorough research and evaluate potential rewards and drawbacks before making any significant financial decisions. Network and build relationships. Encircle yourself with effective and similar people. Systems administration can give open doors to associations, mentorship, and significant associations. Stay informed. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Read books, attend seminars, follow financial news, and learn from the successes and failures of others. Remember, building wealth takes time, effort, and often involves setbacks along the way. It's crucial to have a long-term perspective and remain committed to your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel and lets me know you want more content like this. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know your thoughts, share any questions you have, or tell me what you'd like to see in future videos. I read all the comments and love engaging with you guys. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I've got a lot more exciting content coming your way, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.